What's going on YouTube? Uberman here. So we need to talk about this wheel right here. This one right here. Alright, there's been a lot of discussion. There's even been some somewhat heated debates on this one wheel. Let me tell you why. This is my front passenger side wheel. The rest of the wheels look exactly like this. And a lot of people are saying that wheel is a completely different rim from these. Now, I don't know how you take these things off. Oh, just like that. I wanted to clear up this debate once and for all. Now take a look. That wheel precisely matches that wheel. Let's take a step back. Have a look. They're exactly the same. It's just a hubcap. Now, I made the mistake yesterday of saying that I needed to get a center cap for this, when what I should have said was I needed a hubcap. I hope you can find it in your heart to forgive me for saying center cap instead of hubcap. Not to worry, I have ordered the hubcap for that front wheel so that it will match the rest. Now moving on. The headlights got done today. This was done by Sam's Club, and I've shown you guys this before. Right here is the after product of Sam's, and right here is the before shot of the cloudy and foggy headlights that definitely needed to be restored. Now, Sam's only charges like 39 bucks for this, and I've mentioned this in videos before, and some of you have said, oh, that's just ridiculous, it's too expensive, that's too much money to spend to get your headlights restored. You could do it yourself. And hey, that's your opinion, you're entitled to it. But I think Sam's does a spectacular job restoring these headlights. And for 40 bucks, they give you a warranty. I don't remember, like 3 years or something. They'll do it again for free if at any time they start hazing over, have any fogginess or anything like that. So, wanted to show that as well. 39 bucks I felt was worth it, because otherwise I'm going to be out here in this heat like I am right now recording this video, and that's not something I want to do. Especially these headlights are really, they're really odd shaped, as you can see. I don't want to screw with that. Sam's Club goes through the trouble of masking everything off. They do a great job. You can't get these wet for 48 hours, so it's important you make sure before you get that done, if you choose to do it through Sam's, make sure you're going to have nice, clear, warm weather, because you don't want water getting on those for 48 hours. The car's doing great. We filled it up for the first time today. It held a whole 8 gallons of gas from almost empty. Cost me 24 bucks to fill up. So very impressive. The car is doing great so far. Just wanted to do a quick update video on the headlights. And I wanted to put the issue of these rims to rest. I can't believe how many people were arguing with me over, and with each other, over some rims. It's ridiculous. But hey, it is what it is. I had people telling me I was basically a dumbass and I was an idiot because I couldn't see that one rim was different. You guys were saying, some of you guys were saying, no, there's steel wheels under there and that's an alloy and the rims don't match. And I tried telling you they do, but all I kept getting was a bunch of flack from several people saying that I was basically wrong. So now we got that taken care of. We're done for the day. Hope you guys have a great Friday. Enjoy yourselves. I will catch you soon in the next one.